Hello guys, today we're making pepper soup and rice. Right now I'm cutting the onions and we already have beef heart and goat meat in the pot. We're going to season it with One Love Food steak seasoning, and then when it finishes cooking we're going to add One Love Food pepper soup spice. Now let's get cooking. Can I put pepper when the meat is cooking to make the meat spicy? So I'm going to put pepper in the actual meat, so when the meat's cooking, this also gets some of that peppery taste and it can be spicy. Now we're going to add salt for taste. And now we're going to add water. So now we're going to cover the pot and let it cook. We're going to, it's full. Now we're going to add some pepper soup spice. So we're adding the pepper soup spice. We're going to allow the meat to cook more because even though it's like fully cooked, the meat is not tender yet. So now we're going to add the dried scent leaves now to allow it to release its flavor. If you're using fresh scent leaves, then you would add it last. So the meat is tender, it's done, it's cooked. Right now we're taking it out and cutting it into bite-sized pieces.